Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1976 Pontiac Trans Am. This one here has a matching number 455 under the hood. This is a 4-speed car. This one's also got power steering, disc brakes, drum brakes in the rear, exhaust kicked out both sides on the back. And I'm gonna be taking y'all down the road for a test drive today. We're gonna be pointing out any kind of flaws that we can find. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. We update every Monday at maplemotors.com. Be sure to check that out. And there's always 2 parts to every car. So this is the test drive video. The next one's gonna be the walk around. You can get financed and shipping information on my website as well. There's about 100 detailed pictures of this car on there. So go and check that out. Hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Oh, no. I don't like those buzzers. They're so loud. I'm gonna look around this car, check it out. Interior's in great shape. The dash looks awesome. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Oh yeah. RPM's coming up on the dash here. Oil pressure is working as well. It's sitting right at 40. The water temperature's coming up. Let's try our windshield wipers. Any wipers here? I don't believe they're working. May have to work on the wipers here. Coming on over. Show you the mileage. Showing 79,000 on the dash. Gas gauge is up. It looks like it's working pretty good. And the voltmeter's working. Let's try our lower motor. Yes. Good to go there. We should have some heat. Try this radio. Whoa, radio's working. All right, guys, let's try this horn. It works. Let's hit the road, see how she drives. All right, getting ready to take off here. Got too many layers on today. Should have just left the jacket here at the lot. Oh well. It'll be just fine. This is the first time I've driven this vehicle. Literally just got it in. Let's see if we can squeeze through the small gap I put in the gate here. The shifter already feels good. It's nice and smooth. The clutch is letting out nice. Engine's already warmed up, so good to go there. Anything I see, I will point out for you. Speedometer's coming up on the dash here. Seems to be shifting pretty smooth. Definitely got some get up and go. Speedometer's not reading correctly. We're running about 45 and it's showing 55. So it's 5 to 10 miles an hour off. Check our brakes. Brakes feel good. This thing's going straight as an arrow down the road. We're not pulling to the left or right. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's very touchy. The gas gauge is floating around a little bit right there at 3/4 of a tank. It's working good. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. Somebody got a Riviera up there. continue this test drive after I drive over the camera, give you some undercarriage shots, and do a walk around video on this car, pointing out any kind of flaws. So definitely check out both of the videos and look below in the description to see all my gear that I use. Provide all that information for you too. That way if you want to make some videos. All right, oil pressure sitting right at 40. Engine temp is like 165, and I've let this thing run for about 10 minutes already this morning, just sitting there. It hasn't gone over that. Of course, it is nice and cold here in Tennessee today. All right, let's get these shots. Okay, window's coming up nice and smooth. Good deal. We'll go ahead and roll out of here. See what we got here. Everything's nice and smooth. I noticed the oil pressure is still sitting at 40 when we left, and we're still at 165 on the temperature. Going into all the gears nice and smooth. Suspension feels pretty smooth on it. It's a little squeaky clutch, but steering's nice and tight. The brakes feel good. Throttle response is instant. The clutch feels good. It's going into all the gears, even reverse, nice and smooth. Pretty much, I'm pretty sure all of our gauges are working here. It's got the original motor. I just did a full walk around on this car back in the parking lot back there. I want you to check that out so you see all the flaws on the paint. Because it does have a few chips and scratches on it. All right. The squeaky pedal, squeaky pedal. So we'll get on her here in a second. Oh, I didn't expect that. It started kicking the tires. Plenty of power in this motor. Turn on this road right here. It's got a speed bump in the middle of it, kind of give you an idea on rattles, shakes. The best I can give you on suspension without you being in the car. It's halfway up this road. Woo! It's coming up right here. There's a little bit of a bump from the back. A little bit of a rattle. Could have been the stuff in the trunk too. There's a jack and a spare. Oil pressure sitting above 40, almost 50 right now. Water temperature is still at 165. Wonder if this works. Try it out. Let's see. Yeah, I guess the only thing that didn't work electrical on the dash was the windshield wipers, and it could very well could be the switch here. Gonna jiggle it a little bit, see if we can get some connection, but it's not moving those windshield wipers at all. I don't believe that's working. The cigarette lighter does not work either. The brake light is on. Let's see. That's what that light is on the dash. One last stretch here. Nice and smooth. All right, guys, we're coming through the parking lot down here. I haven't done this in a while. Check out briansmotorsports.com. Every time you buy a car from us, you can come down here and get it fully customized. Even if you just wanted new seats, wanted a console built for the interior, gotta check them out. They do tons of fundraisers all year long. I think right now they got a charity tree for unfortunate kids. So check them out, briansmotorsports.com. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories, sound system. I mean, literally everything. They'll tint your windows and get you completely set up before you leave. All right, I'm gonna cut through here. Our lot is literally down the road. Not to mention, Brian is like family to us. We've known him forever. Grew up around him. All right. And we're coming back up to the car lot right now. So this Monday is, I think we may have one more update after this for the ending of the year, but we're paving the car lot. Today, every car has got to be off the car lot. So if you do come by, they're not going to be there. I'd suggest waiting until Monday or Tuesday next week to come up. Actually, the end of this week, everything should be fine and ready to go. But I know for sure all these cars are going to be off the lot today. And we got to go hide them places, put them up. Because we're paving this lot, the back lot, and next door, the new parking lot that we have for our customers. It's long overdue. Almost 40 years with this old lot here. All right. I appreciate y'all riding along with me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. And if you want to see our current inventory, go to maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We have wheels, tires, parts, accessories, financing, and shipping information is available. I want to thank y'all for sharing these videos. Every time you share, it helps us out greatly. And we're this close to 200,000 subscribers. I'm very excited. That's another milestone that I was hoping to reach this year. And I believe we can get it done with the help of y'all sharing these videos and telling people like y'all do already. I want to thank y'all. It's been a great 2020. I'm gonna keep going today. I've got a bunch of cars to get to because we just updated the website. All right, guys, I'll see you in a little while.